A very good morning to all of you children. Welcome to class 4 science class. I am your science teacher and today I will teach you chapter 7, that is adaptations in plants. Plants in dry areas. The biggest problem faced by plants in dry areas is the shortage of water. They have long roots that spread out horizontally in the soil to get as much water as they can. Plants lose water through the stomata on their leaves. To reduce the area of their leaves, trees such as babul that grow in dry areas have leaves broken up into many leaflets or small leaves. Kalanchoe, aloe vera and some other plants have thick leaves with a waxy coating to reduce the loss of water. Such leaves also store water. Cactus plants survive well in deserts. Cactus have spines instead of leaves to reduce the loss of water. Their thick, fleshy stems not only make food but also store water. Plants that have thick and fleshy parts meant for storing water are called succulents. The water storing parts may be leaves, stems or roots. Cactus, kalanchoe and aloe vera are different types of succulents. Plants in very cold places. Conifers are trees that have cones instead of flowers. What we call a Christmas tree is in fact a conifer. Conifers grow well in cold places, for example, on mountain slopes. We can see them in the plains too. However, they are adapted to live in cold places where there is a shortage of sunlight and water in winter. They have needle-like leaves with a waxy coating so as not to lose much water. They have a conical shape that lets the snow slide off their branches. Otherwise, the snow would pile up on the branches and make them break. Most conifers are evergreen. That means they never become completely leafless. This helps them make use of the sunlight in the short summer season instead of having to wait to grow new leaves. It also helps them save energy, as growing a whole new set of leaves costs a lot of energy. Their leaves are deep green to make better use of sunlight. Coastal plants. Coastal plants grow near the sea in soil flooded with salt water. They also have to put up with strong winds carrying salt water sprays. Their roots do not get enough air in the waterlogged soil. So, some have breathing roots that grow vertically out of the soil to take in gases from the air. Others have stilt roots. These are supporting roots, often slanting, that grow from the lower part of the stem and keep the plant above the water. They also take in air when the water level falls. As the salt in their surroundings tends to draw out water, many coastal plants have fleshy leaves and stems to store water. These also helps avoid damage from salt water sprays. Their roots take in salt which they lose through their leaves. Some shed leaves that collect salt. Others have special openings in their leaves to get rid of salt. Many have the ability to turn their leaves or close their stomata to reduce water loss. Mangroves are plants that grow in muddy coastal areas. The world's largest mangrove forest, the Sundarbans, is the home of the Royal Bengal tiger. It is a vast forest in the coastal regions of West Bengal and Bangladesh, where the waters of the Ganga and Brahmaputra flow into the Bay of Bengal. Thank you, children. Have a good day.